hike to the waterfall was a bit challenging, but once you arrive, you forget everything. The place is beautiful. I really enjoyed the explanation of how they cultivate organic coffee and cacao. Highly recommended. One of the best experiences in Santa Marta. The hike to the waterfall was beautiful, the water was freezing cold but invigorating. I learned a lot about coffee and cacao, I didn't know their processes were so different. Discover Minca on a tour that blends nature, culture, and adventure in a single day. Explore an ecological paradise surrounded by mountains and jungle, visit artisanal farms to learn about coffee and cocoa processes, and taste authentic local flavors. Refresh yourself at Cascada Escondida, enjoy a cozy lunch, and take in panoramic views of Santa Marta from a scenic viewpoint. Experience a photographic display of mountain fauna, featuring colorful birds, reptiles, and mammals native to the region. Take a 10-minute walk to an artisanal farm and learn about coffee cultivation and preparation, savoring its unique aroma. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the 30-meter Cascada Escondida waterfall, perfect for relaxation. Participate in a hands-on cocoa workshop at Casa Chocolate and taste artisanal chocolate crafted on site.